I'm on the side of the highway. The car broke down.
Oh my gosh. No. No. My car just stopped on me.
4-hour drive away and my car died. Yeah, here I am 150, 200 miles from my home and my car dies.
Man, not now. Come on, man, not now. I gotta get to work. I'm already running late. What could it be? Man, somebody help me, please. Have you had this happen to you before? Where you're running late, vehicle won't start, or even while you're driving, check engine light comes on, and you panic. What do I do? Hi, my name is Reginald, and I'm an instructor for C.A.R.E, Complete Automotive Repair, Education, and Empowerment. My 2-hour seminar is going to give you the information needed to properly maintain your primary source of transportation. In my seminar, I'm going to teach you how to change your oil, flush your radiator, change your brakes, change your battery. Anything that can get you empowered so that when your vehicle leaves you stranded, you're not afraid. I can train almost anybody. Kids, adults, teenagers, even college students. Anyone is willing to get this information to save you money, I will teach. You know what? I can even come to you. Or you can come to the next seminar that we have posted. Give me a call.